OVM is an international specialized one-stop solution supplier focusing on research of pre-stressing technology, providing related systems and construction services. Established in 1966 with the name of Liuzhou Construction Machinery Factory and renamed to be Liuzhou OVM Machinery Company Limited in 2003, now a subsidiary company of Liugong Group. OVM is now the largest pre-stressing supplier in the Asian Pacific regions, with 4 production bases, more than 3,000 employees, 5 wholly owned subsidiaries, including engineering company, engineering rubber company, cable company, structure monitoring company, and OVM International Limited, and also the holding company of Shiping OVM Company and Hong Kong OVM Engineering Company Limited. OVM has 50 years experience in manufacturing and supplying pre-stressing systems, including pre-stressing anchorage and related equipment, engineering cable, engineering elastomeric bearings and expansion joints, anti-seismic systems, structure monitoring and maintenance, new products and materials. Based on these, OVM has the capacity to offer full-range services from consultation, design, production, construction to maintenance and monitoring of structures. As the leading pre-stressing company in China, OVM always plays as the pacemaker in quality management. OVM is the first company qualified by ISO 9001 quality management system and BSI certification in Chinese pre-stressing industry, and also qualified by European ETA and CE certification. OVM has more than 400 professional engineers and technicians, and has long-term cooperation relationship with more than 10 well-known universities. Hundreds of renowned professors and experts are invited to join OVM as technical consultant. In 1966, OVM Technology Center was entitled as National Enterprise Technology Center by Chinese National Development and Reform Commission and the other 3 government ministries, becoming the only one technology center who got this award in Chinese pre-stressing industry at that time. In 2001, OVM cooperated with Tongji University to establish Tongji OVM Pre-stressing Research Center. After that, OVM Postdoctoral Research Center was set up. OVM always keeps a leading position in field of Chinese pre-stressing technology. OVM has participated in drafting more than 30 national and industry standards, achieved 56 national or provincial technological innovations, 36 patents for inventions, and 359 patents for utility models, in which the weight-type multi-strand anchorage system and its installation method was honored with Chinese Patent Gold Medal. In order to promote the development of pre-stressing industry, OVM has sponsored and published professional periodicals Pre-stressing Technology for 15 years, which has become an important technology exchange platform of pre-stressing field in China. Complete and efficient marketing networks help OVM to supply excellent products and services. In China, there are 7 regional marketing companies, including more than 30 marketing centers. Marketing network is spread all over China. After 20 years overseas development, OVM's global network covers more than 60 countries and regions around Asia, Africa, East Europe, Latin America, Middle East, Russia. OVM's products and solutions have been extensively applied to the construction of highways, railways, bridges, building, mines, hydroelectric and nuclear power plants. OVM is the only Chinese pre-stressing company to enter the field of ocean salvation, nuclear power, and LNG. OVM has supported a large amount of key projects worldwide with its high-quality products and excellent solutions. In 1989, OVM's pre-stressing anchorage system was applied to Shanghai Nanpu Bridge. After that, in Yangpu Bridge, Beijing-Shanghai High-Speed Railway. OVM pre-stressing anchorage system is widely used in numerous key projects. In 1993, OVM lifting system was successfully used for construction of the Oriental Port TV Tower, lifting 450 tons, 188-meter long antenna post to the top of tower, which is 350 meters high. OVM anchor block system for suspension bridge, OVM cable system, etc. were successfully applied to many projects in China and overseas. In 2011, the cable-supported crane and beam transporter invented by OVM successfully worked for the construction of Hunan Aizai Bridge in China. In 2012, OVM 250 stay cable system with 139 numbers of steel strands passed 2 million fatigue cycles with 45% upper stress and 250 MPa stress range in CTL America, which is the first and largest fatigue test for stay cable system using strands worldwide. In the same year, OVM high stress range stay cable system with 500 MPa passed 2 million fatigue cycles, setting the new record in China. In the same year, OVM 250 stay cable system won the world's largest double-deck highway railway cable stayed bridge using strands, the Tongling Yangtze River Bridge. In the early of 2013, OVM won the bid of FAST project of National Astronomical Observatories in China, the largest and most advanced radio telescope in the world. As the leading pre-stressing company in China, OVM also achieved high recognition in overseas markets. OVM has participated in many overseas projects, including the Haran Such Bridge, Iran, Science Sandal Hatter Bridge, Korea, the Central Wanchai Bypass and Island Eastern Corridor Link, Langkato Bridge, Indonesia, the Bombay Island Seaport Project, Kuwait, Langley Suspension Bridge, Myanmar.
OVM 12的发展战略明确提出了未来的战略愿景是成为预令及相关领域国内领先、国际知名的系统解决方案提供商。
This is an era of globalization and innovation for Chinese enterprises. Here is OVM Company Limited. We will spare no efforts to make us a world brand in pre-stressing field. Join us to make new progress together. Gathering human wisdom, Adam-Brotive word power.